Hi everyone, this is Pampered Chef Recipes. My name is Kay, and this is my home kitchen. I am an independent consultant with Pampered Chef. Today, on Pampered Chef Recipes, we're going to be making butterscotch pecan brownies with walnuts, because that's what I have. And butterscotch walnuts? Yum! The ingredients you'll need for the brownies are a half cup of evaporated milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a cup packed brown sugar, 8 ounces of pecan halves, and this time I'm using walnuts because that's what I have, as well as 1 package of fudge brownie mix, plus the ingredients to make those brownies. Today's recipe will be mostly cooked in our deluxe cooking blender, but our featured product for today is our brownie pan. While you're waiting for the oven to preheat to 325, add the evaporated milk, vanilla, cinnamon, salt, brown sugar, and pecans to the blender. You'll want to put it on the grind setting and then press start. In a large bowl, mix your brownie ingredients. Next, you're going to fold your walnut mixture into the brownie batter. I've oiled my brownie pan and we're going to divide the batter equally. The brownies go into the oven at 325 degrees for 22 to 25 minutes. For the butterscotch, you'll need 2/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, plus all of the walnut or pecan mixture that was left in the blender. Add those ingredients to the cooking blender. For this one, we're going to cook on sauce. Remember, as you see these lines going around, that means it is heating. When the blender says add, just push the button to keep on going. The brownies are finished. The butterscotch sauce is back there whirring away. We'll let these cool for a minute. The sauce is finished. The blender is warm, so be careful taking the lid off and watch for steam. I think it turned out really good, and I wish that I had smell-o-vision for you right now. So wonderful. Remember, the link for the recipe as well as the brownie pan will be down in the description below. I would love to have you share this video with other people who enjoy cooking delicious desserts at home. Thanks for watching.